Good morning, baby.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom. I slept very well.
Good. Are you ready to wake up?
5 more minutes, please.
No. It's morning time. Let's get up.
Okay. I'm up.
Stretch your arms.
Stretch my arms.
Open your eyes.
Open my eyes.
Smile.
Smile. Good morning, world.
Great. Now, let's go to the bathroom.
Okay.
What do we do first?
I wash my face.
Good. Say it again.
I wash my face.
Nice. Now, brush your teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Brush.
Brush.
Do you like brushing your teeth?
Yes, a little bit.
That's good enough. Now, let's wash our hands.
I wash my hands.
Clean hands, happy hands.
Clean hands, happy hands.
Very good. Okay, time to get dressed.
Yay, clothes time.
What do you want to wear today?
My blue t-shirt.
Blue t-shirt, nice choice. And pants?
My gray pants.
Perfect. Now, put on your socks.
Socks on.
And shoes.
Shoes on.
You look great.
Thank you, Mom.
What's next?
Jumping a bit. Breakfast time.
Yes. What do you want to eat?
Bread and milk.
Bread and milk. Good choice.
What do you eat, Mom?
I eat fruit and drink coffee.
I want some fruit too.
Sure. Here, an apple.
Yum! I like apples.
Say it again.
I like apples.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink milk.
I drink coffee.
You drink coffee every day.
Yes, I love coffee.
And I love milk.
That's perfect. Now, what time is it?
It's school time.
Yes, let's get your bag.
I have my bag.
Do you have your books?
Yes, I have my books.
Again, do you have your pencil case?
Yes, I have my pencil case.
Great! You're ready.
Mom, can I say goodbye?
Of course.
Goodbye, Mom.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
Thank you. See you later.
Today, we learned morning actions: wake up, wash face, brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, and go to school. Practice every morning with a love and a big smile.